Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be multiplying whole numbers and fractions. So we'll have a whole number and we'll have a fraction. So I'll show you the steps to multiply those two things together. So first I just want to show you a picture just to show you how it works. But remember, multiplication is like repeated addition. So I'm going to show you in a picture how we can multiply 1/3 by 3. So this is 1/3, right? So I'm actually going to draw that 3 times. Okay, so that's 1/3 3 times. So it's really like saying 1/3 times 3 or 1/3 3 times, which is a repeated addition. So if I was to add all these together, I would have 1, 2, 3 thirds. 1, 2, 3. So this would be my answer, which is 3/3 or 1 whole. Okay, so that's just how we do that in a picture. Now, I want you to remember, when we have a whole number like 12, we could actually write that over a 1, and it's the same thing. So, and the reason why is this is 12 divided by 1, and 12 divided by 1 equals 12, if we were to work it out. So these are actually the same thing. So we're going to write our whole number over a 1. So there's a few steps today, not too many though. Step 1 is you're going to write the whole number as a fraction like I just showed you. Step 2, you're going to multiply the numerators together. Then you're going to multiply the denominators together, which seems weird, I know, after adding and subtracting. But that will be the rule for multiplying. You have to multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers, or the numerators and the denominators. Then the final step is you will simplify the problem at the very end. So don't forget to simplify. So here is our first problem we're going to solve. Find 1/6 times 24. So step 1 is write the whole number as a fraction. So we are going to put the 24 over 1. And then just write 1/6 the way it was, just like that. Step 2, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 1 times 24 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so we multiply those two together to get this number. Multiply those two together to get this number. The final step is to simplify, or besides simplifying, you also need to put this back into a mixed number. So how many times does 6 go into 24? It goes in 4 times. And 6 times 4 is 24, so we're actually done. We actually have nothing left, so we can't have a fraction over here. This is just the final answer, 4. Okay, let's do another problem just to practice. So if we have 2 times 4/5, the first step is we are going to write our whole number as a fraction. So we're going to put a 1 underneath it, just like that. Because remember, these two are the same thing. We're just writing it like this so we can just multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. So that isn't our final answer though, because we need to turn it back into a mixed number. So 5 goes into 8 once. If we said twice, it would be over that, so it's just once. And if we take a 5 out of 8, we're left with 3, or 8 minus 5 is 3. We leave it over 5, and that's our final answer. So the key for this lesson is to write the number as a fraction, the whole number, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify or change it back into a mixed number. Okay, good luck, you guys.